Let's get fucking ready to rumble. Give me a second here. So once again, we're stuck on the orb. Uh, One second. It's chop anyways. It's chop anyways. All right. Anyways, so we're here stuck on the orb, and we have data at 10. So obviously, I'm not gonna trade till the dust settles. Um, Unless I find something significant, but I fucking doubt it. I fucking doubt it. All right. Um, we still have 10 minutes left. We have plenty of fucking time left to consumer sentiment drops. Um, right here, clearly it's a 15-minute opening range right here. This high, this low. If we break above it, I have to be wary of this trend line where we can reject. We are downtrending in the immediate trend right now. We have three touch points over here: uno, dos, and tres. Um, so if price explodes over here, obviously we might see rejection if it has enough volume to break through. But we can't tell the future, so we would have to be wary of that. If I do take a position, I would have to exit right around here just to stay safe. But in order for me to take a trade, I'm trying to wean my way slowly out of indicators. Slowly out of indicators, just play price action, but that takes time because I have dependency of indicators still. Yo, what's up, bro? What's up, E? Good morning. Looks like it's gonna sell off, possibly, possibly if we'll see how consumer sentiment is. But right now we're stuck on the orb, so and the opening range is keeping me out of chop. Anyways, like I was saying, I'm trying to like slowly wean my way out of like dependency on indicators and mostly trade like price action. Um, so that's what I'm trying to do. Like I have like my EMAs up. Still as a guide. Probably I'll wean it out, but I still use it for something else that I'm trying, like more of like a deeper EMA pullback and then hit the low. It's uh it's based off like the stochastic RSI. Like for example, like I think right here, like sometimes when price action like starts moving and then does a pullback, sometimes it does a deep those deep pullbacks, like right over here. So this would be like a stochastic oversold pullback onto like the EM. It's mostly used like on the 21 and the 50 EMA. But when price is moving, you see like the stochastic RSI here at oversold. I would go to like say you're over here and then we're looking at price action being oversold on the stochastic RSI. I would go to the 2 minute and look for a divergence on the RSI. So here we're doing higher highs and higher lows on the RSI until we create a divergence right over here, and then we start breaking those lower highs and lower lows, and we start making new higher highs and higher lows. And then that's when you enter, so that way you take a correct pullback play. You enter right around here, and then obviously your price target would be the last high or the last low, depending on the short or the long. So just a few things that I'm working out. I'm trying, like like I said, I'm trying to wean my way out of like indicators, unless like I'm doing something else. But I don't want to have like a dependency on them. I want to trade more price action to the best of my ability, because I want to like take out factors of like overthinking. Like I want to take out less steps to overthink less, so I can just be more systematic with my approach. I have like I start eliminating shit. So that way, like, I can end up with like maybe like three criteria things, and then, that's all I have to keep track of. I don't have to keep track of so many other things. I want to like simplify it in a sense. Just developing as a trader, pretty much. So, well, what time is it? 9:53. So we're having a breakdown below the opening range, but damn, bro. So, uh, we have 54 seconds on this candle. We would need the next candle to retest this, retest that opening range, and come right back down. So let me so for a more visual cue, I want to highlight this over here so I can see it better. Um, and this is why I'm fucking with the orb, because it tells me when I'm in fucking chop, and I can fucking see that we're in chop because we're just stuck in the range right there. Take out the what ifs. Exactly, bro. I'm trying to take out the what ifs, dog. I'm trying to take out the what ifs because I'm like, bro, like I'll be like back testing, and I was like, like I'm using indicators, but I'm like, damn, but this indicator, like here on this time frame, it told me something, but on the other one, it didn't make sense. So I'm like, I gotta check this and I gotta check that. I'm like, bro, this shit's getting too complicated, dog. I mean, I was getting by. I was getting by with it, and it's great confirmation, but like I want to start. I don't want to like stay like stagnant. I want to evolve. I want to like have less dependency on shit and depend on myself more. Like I'm more on my intuition and shit. That's like literally all I'm trying to do. And I've been trying to see like volume, like how like what's like the average volume of like a break and retest of the orb. Um, and like the average volume like of a break and retest is like so far I've had is like on a volume candle I have like over 400. Like yeah, and anything under that it's like a weak fake and retest. But it's like I'm collecting data like little by little, just trying to take out the what ifs, bro. So we did not break below the orb, like I said, and this is why I'm fucking with the orb, because it's keeping me out of shit, like shit price action. So right now we're just in shit price action, not doing anything. But I know for a fact we're waiting for the consumer sentiment to drop. It drops in 4 minutes, so 4 minutes, bombs fucking away. So I would need. This is what I want. This is what I want. What I want. If we're coming down, I needed to come down. I needed a retest. I need that retest to hold. Enter on the third candle. And then my stop loss, stay right there. My stop loss would be like the last swing high, which probably, if it comes here, you know, retest comes down, my stop loss would be like right around here, just like a little bit above that last swing high. Um, and we'll go from there and see how much it can move. So we're gonna find out now. News first, exactly. We got news in 3 minutes. Bro? Are you trading right now? Are you trading? Or do you have like calls to make and shit? So we're breaking down again. We got 2 minutes. What's the RSI at? Yeah, we can I can see this moving down further. We have the RSI like right around the average, so we're at a good price point. It can push down further. I'm talking about like the RSI moving average. So I'm still always gonna use the RSI. RSI, that's just bro, I love the RSI. RSI is fucking gangster, bro. If you know how to use that shit, the RSI is fucking hard, bro. No accounts to trade. What happened to them, bro? What happened to your accounts, my guy? Come on, dog. It's all in your head, bro. You gotta stay disciplined, bro. All right, we got a minute left. Let's see what we're gonna do. This feels like the anticipation of like a fucking monster candle right now. Like the way that price action is moving. I've seen this shit so many times. We got 40 seconds left. Uh, Too much work with dispatching and trying to trade on the side. Keep doing stupid shit. Um, hey man, we all go through it in trading, dog. We all go through it, bro. Your story is not you're not the only one in your story, bro. There's like millions of other traders going through the same shit. Um, so you just have to persevere and trade small. Trade small. This, it sounds cliche, but like the cliche like always works. Cliche always works, bro. What time is it? All right, there you go. So, wow, look at that baby move. Look at that baby move. But dude, like I was saying, like um, bro, just keep putting shit like in your spreadsheet, bro. Get your fucking data, bro. That shit will help you out so much, bro. So we're gonna finally see what happens here, but we're still stuck on that orb. Just choppy price action. Nothing to do. Nothing to do. Yeah. Well, I'm like, I don't know, maybe, bro, maybe try like a more like simpler strategy and like do that. Because I know like like you got to go through a lot of steps, but like I'm being real with you, bro. You got to go through a lot of steps with like your with Fibonacci with like 100% retracement and 150% retracement. You got to go through a lot of steps. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm trying to like incorporate like Fibonacci like into my shit. Because I fuck with fibs. Like I fuck with fibs. Those are my shit. And I know for a fact that specifically on the Russell 2000, um, the 50, the point 0.5, and the 618, that golden pocket, bro, the Russell loves, fucking loves that shit, bro. I don't know why, but it just fucking loves that golden pocket on the Russell 2000. Um, so like I want to use like on an EMA pullback with like oversold RSI. Like for example, like the same example that I showed right here. I don't think this would give me this pullback right here. I don't think it would give me like the golden pocket. Like the start of this swing high to the swing low, I don't think it would give me it. No, not right there. But like in a deep pullback, like if I get like into like a golden pocket, like on a deep pullback, I think of this one right here. I can just like instantly see it. Right there, bro. Right there. Right here. Um, this right here. Like on a deep pullback, like measuring the swing high, swing low, and like perfect. See, look. So that's like I want to incorporate. I still need to back test this, but like the RSI, like the stochastic RSI oversold on a downtrend. along with a Fibonacci pullback into the EMAs, money. That's what, I want to back test because that shit looks fucking gangster as fuck. That's what I'm trying to do. All right, let's go back. Let's go back. Where am I? I have to get to like 4 or 5 steps too much. Exactly, bro. That's why I'm like, yeah, maybe you should simplify, bro. Just like, that's why like I have like the stupid like dirt fucking stupid like strategy simplified. Just break, retest, go. That's what I'm trying to do. Break, retest, go. That's what I'm aiming for. And like to look at volume to see if there's like some good enough volume, and then just play it like that, and just like maybe trail it with like the 21 EMA, like maybe trail it like that, simple, like simple shit. Like I want like so I said, before I was like looking at what like the MACD does and the super trend does and like a whole sweet ribbon and you know but I can still get by doing that, but like damn, like it's like beep 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 beep. Like I just want to be like one button. So okay, it looks like we broke below, but it could not hold. This shit does not want to go further down. Well, I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know. But the RSI, it's slowly moving up. So I don't know. We'll see. Made roughly 20K this year in 2 months. Now markets change. The normal market open's always been doing. Oh, bro, that's another thing too, bro. It's a good thing that you brought that up because sometimes like your strategy, it um it doesn't it doesn't work on the current environment and it only works on a certain environment. And bro, I've heard like way better traders talk about that shit, about how they notice how the market changed, so they have to switch their strategy to something else. It's like, bro, we're not on that level to realize when that shit don't working. Well, now we know that your shit's not working because the fucking god candles that NQ has, fucking 300, 200 point candles type shit. Ain't no you're gonna need like 500% retracement on the fucking Fibonacci to fucking make your strat work. Um, yeah, exactly. You have to adjust with it. You have to adjust with it. So and so yeah, maybe you can find a way to like adjust to it, or like, bro, just scrap it and get something new that works with like every fucking market. Yeah, adjust to the market or adjust to the strategy. Yeah, or you just have to play like way smaller. But I don't even think that works because the fucking pullbacks are fucking crazy. So yeah, I don't know, bro. It's hard, bro. It's hard. But I mean, bro, we're still fucking rookies, bro. We ain't no fucking pro. We ain't no pro traders, dog. I don't claim to be no fucking pro trader, dog. I'm a fucking rookie, bro. I'm a fucking rookie. I make 4 years trading in July. Like 2 years, 2 months away. Wait, 3 months away, right? May, June, July. 3 months away to making 4 years. Still a fucking rookie, bro. Still a rookie, bro. Those wings probably don't sprouts like fucking like year 8 or some shit like that. But hey, man, we sticking to it, dog. We sticking to it. As long as I can make a little bit of money here and there, bro, I'm good. I'm good. I'll worry about the other shit in the future. One thing is for sure, all strategies work sometimes, but nothing works all the time. Nothing works all the time, bro. Nothing. You'll never find like a 100% strategy. But the thing is, like, bro, you don't even need like crazy stats to make money. Like you can be like at a fucking 1-to-1 with like a 65%, 60% win rate, and you'll still be fucking Gucci, bro. Like like if like you have to like literally like zoom out like in so many trades, like you don't even need like you don't have to win like every day. It's okay. And and if we all want to make money, bro, we all want to make money. But unfortunately, that's not how that shit works. Bro, we're stuck on that fucking orb, bro. Today is the day that the fucking opening range is shining because it's I have not taken a trade. I have not taken a trade. But it does not look like it wants to push further down. That RSI, that moving average is still coming up. And let's see, are we making we broke that high. Yeah, we're still moving up, so we might go to the upside here. As Ryan would say, chop. Bro, Ryan would have got his ass chopped to fucking oblivion already. Shout out to Ryan though. I remember I helped him out. I'm like, bro, just take like one trade a day. And he fucking just became better. So we're coming up, we're coming up, we're coming up. So, okay, obviously it does not look like we're coming down. So if I need to take a trade, um, over here, so obviously I need to break out, retest, hold, enter on the third candle, and most likely I have to like get out like right around here, because we're still moving down. We're still moving down. So I'm gonna fucking respect the overall trend, and I'm just gonna take whatever money I can get. Okay, we're doing something. Come on, top. There we go. We touched the top of the range. We're above that 50 MA. So now we wait patiently for the breakout. Hey, what you barking at? What you barking at? The FedEx driver left already. So this is the perfect day that the orb is shining. Just fucking trapped in the 15-minute orb, just ping ponging that bitch. Can't do nothing about it. Can't do nothing about it. Forcing me to wait. Oh, give me a second. I gotta put my fucking clothes to dry. I don't want to forget. Alright, what's happening? Nothing? No break of the orb? God damn, you're fucking killing me. Today the open 5 minute actually worked, but I'm not trading it. Let me take a look. On the Nasdaq, the open 5 minute. What the fuck you mean it worked? That shit didn't work. Where? Unless like you're how? How did it work? It's the unless like you're scalping like from here to here. How did it work? Well, I mean, if you had like if you have like your stop loss like all the way down here probably, then yeah, I would say it worked, kind of, kind of. I don't know. How? Stop loss at 19,139. 19,130. What? 19,1 over here? Why all the way down there? God damn. Using 5 minute candle and oh, it's like 200 retracement. God damn, that's a big ass fuck. That's a lot of breathing room, my dog. It's a lot of breathing room. So, okay. That shit ain't working today, my boy. Orb ain't doing nothing today. You sent me a picture on Discord? I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Let's take a look over here, my boy. We're gonna see. So, oh, your stop loss would be down there. Oh, okay. So you're entering on the 100 retracement over here, right? And your stop loss would be at the 250, if I'm correct. If I'm correct. That's like a bro, is that like the 5 minute orb? Would you call it that? Well, I mean technically because yeah, I mean you're entering it like basically at the bottom of that 5 minute orb, right? You're entering basically at the like on the bottom of the 5 minute orb, and then you're giving it breathing room up to here, and then you're writing out of the orb, right? Am I getting that right? I think I did. Okay, I did. Well, you should have fucking took it. You should have fucking took it. That exactly at 9:30 is that's fucking crazy. Exactly at 9:30 is crazy, dog. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. That shit crazy. 9:30, bro. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. 100% and 140, 160, 180 limit buys with 1 micro each. Oh, okay, so you're averaging down on the way down, basically. Bro, I don't think this shit wants to come down. Right now, we're making higher highs and higher lows over here. We're making higher highs and higher lows, so I don't know. We'll see. Just might be a non-tradable day. Might be a non-tradable day. Well, 9:35 because I'm waiting for it to close. Yeah. I'm gonna give it like 15 more minutes because I'm not trying to be here all day. I gotta work out. Damn, let's see. What is damn, this shit moving ugly, bro. On the S&P, EMA spaghetti strap. Take a look at the Dow. Still a little fucking ugly. The only one really moving right now is the Nasdaq. That's the only one pretty much moving right now. And it broke, and now it's testing that opening range. So this would be like a perfect example right here. Even though I mean I don't trade Nasdaq. If this candle can hold the orb, it didn't hold the orb, so wouldn't be able to trade that. This weekend I need to see 100 trades on the spreadsheet. Who, you? You need to see 100 trades on the spreadsheet? I gotta break down or what? Come on. I think I have like 25 trades, but that's because like I'm, taking pictures and writing shit on in detail. So I still got quite a way to go. Obviously, I'm gonna work more on it tonight. Try to get to 40 trades at least. I want or 50. I want to get to half tonight, like half of 100 trades to get some good data. Because like the two things that I'm putting an alert right here. Um, where's my shit? Where's my shit? So I'm working on this break and retest. So this is basically what I'm doing like all night, just like the break and retest. Like right here, it broke the orb. Where is it? Right here. It broke the orb, came down, held, came back up, enter, and then write it out. Take a partial, take another and take out the rest. Type shit. Like another example, break out the orb, came down. Oh shit, I got a notification. Looks like it's coming down. Um, here came down onto the orb, held, retest, enter on this candle, take partials, take the rest. What else? So here, breakdown, came back up, retest, tested on the EMAs, enter, came down, partials, got my stop loss hit, my trailing stop loss hit. Same thing, breakout, came in, retest, broke out above again, and then write it out just like that. So that's what I've been doing. Oh shit! Oh goddamn! I did not see that. There you go. That boy said, "Wait, come back, come back, come back." I said, "The market's selling." Okay, so we have our breakout. So let's see if it can retest and hold on the orb. That's what I want to see. The same thing that I've been showing you guys. This is the exact thing that I want to see. Just simple breakout, come back, hold, come back, enter. So let's see if it can hold on the orb. Right now, look, this shit's being fucking gay right now. It's trying to hold back above the orb. Look at that, bro. That 15-minute orb is strong with this one, dog. Look at that wick. Look at that wick, bro. If it can just close below, then we'll be one step closer to taking a trade. Dude, look at that fucking hold, bro. Holy shit. Dude, it does not want to push further down, bro. Dude, I'll be very surprised. Fucking, we have a lot of volume on this candle. On the volume bar. 1.66K on this candle of volume. Damn, bro, it's gonna hold? Dude, it held the orb. Holy shit, bro. It does not want to go down. It does not want to go down. Look at that big ass fucking wick. Wow, 150 plus points. Let me take a look at NQ because this shit's not. It held the orb. God damn! All the way back down to the bottom of the range. But the fucking the range held that shit again. Yo, people would have gotten wrecked on that shit, bro. This shit broke the orb, came down, bump, breakdown. There's no retest here. It's kind of, well, yes, there is. The retest is right here. So this would be like an entry on MES. What's the Dow doing? Still came back down. So the orb worked perfectly on this one. It fucking paid. Came up, breakout, came back, retest, enter here, come down, bomb, get money. Get money. Look, the orb worked there. So over here, where it's come back to the Russell, so the fucking orb worked on MES on the Dow Jones. So come on, fucking Russell 2000, it's your fucking turn. Now just open up the range more full. The wick and might continue. Probably. It could probably, yeah, I can see it continue. So, um, mm, hold on. Is this a break and retest? Hold on. Came up, came down, but the candle body closed above here. Damn, is that a retest? Holy shit. Did it close here? I think this is a break and retest. It came down, come up, retested in the orb, and now it's breaking down again. Bro, I think it is, bro. I think it is. I think it is. Yeah, it is. It is. Okay. It is a break and retest. So price came in and retested and tried to go, but now it's breaking out again. So yes, I would enter here. Okay. All right. So I just need this candle to hold below the range and I enter a position. And I'll probably put my stop loss like right around here. Put my stop loss like right here. That's where my stop loss is going to be at. Okay. But goddamn, bro, come back up a little bit, bro. I'm not trying to fucking enter all the way down there. God damn. God damn, bro. Fuck. Wait for me, bro. Oh, wait for me. I'm not trying to have so much risk, dog. Shit. So obviously this is gonna hold. If it can just pump up a little bit, bro. Pump up. Mm. Man, dude, I want a better entry, dog. If it can come back like right here, I'll be satisfied. Still got like 30 seconds. I just want to see if I can get a better entry. Come on, come back up a little bit. I'll get him right there. I'll get him right there. So let's put my stop loss like right around here. Of course, you would come up when I wanna come down, right? Of course, you would come down when I want to come down. So okay, all right. So we took a position right here. So basically, what happened? We're taking the break and retest of the opening range. Did I give it enough of a stop loss? I mean, the swing fucking high is all the way up there. It's pretty fucking high. So I'm gonna risk like right around here. I think that's more than enough. More than enough. So let's take the short position tool. I want to measure how many ticks is this. How many ticks is this? 66. Uh, that's pretty good. I can probably give it. I probably just leave my stop loss right there. I maybe I'll move it up here, but now I'll just keep it right there. So all we're doing here is taking the break and retest. So price action came up top of the range, broke out, couldn't held, came up, retested the top of the opening range, came back up, candle closed over here, and now we're testing that break. And let's see if we can get this push further down. I'll probably sell some partials like right here. Sell some partials like right there. If it can push down a little bit more. Let me move my stop loss down. I'll put it down right here. And let's see. If 5 minute candle holds above under the moving averages, it can keep going. I would throw a fib on the candle, close, and put the sell on the limits. So let's see if it can go. What's the RSI doing? We're still coming down. So yeah, we're going to hold right there. We're going to hold right there. 18911 target on the Russell 2000 or on NQ. I think you're talking about the Russell 2000, right? Oh yeah, probably because you're talking about the fibs. Okay. So now we wait. All I can do is wait. I want to take some partials over here. And if price gets over here, and I'll take some partials and probably move my stop loss even further down. Maybe break even. But let's see what happens here. Hopefully it doesn't fucking just come back up and takes my ass out. I mean, I have a pretty good breathing room here. Um, And yeah, price action is just fucking doing exactly what I don't want it to do, coming back up. But I have pretty good breathing room right here, so we're just gonna leave my stop right there. Back to work. All right, bro. Hopefully I get this W for us, dog. I'm gonna be thugging it out right here. Into some drawdown. This shit's coming back up on my ass, bro. Fuck. I hope I have enough breathing room, bro. Let's see. We're getting a pullback, but I mean, I can see this coming further down. I just hope I have enough breathing room. All we can do now is just wait. So it's retesting that orb again. Hopefully it can hold and break down below. See right here, I start to wonder. It's like, damn, should I just have taken partials like when I got over here and been out of the trade? I don't know. I'm just gonna wait, and it's encroaching back up into that orb. This might fucking push up and stop my ass out. I'm not even gonna lie to you. All right, bro. Peace out. I'm gonna hang on to this trade. So it looks like we're getting a reaction on the orb. See if it can hold. We got 45 seconds left on this candle. It's coming right back up. If I'll be a lot more comfortable if this candle can still close and open below the orb. It'll give me more confidence. And I'm not gonna move my stop loss. We're just gonna leave it right there. If it takes me out, fuck it. It takes me out. Opened in the orb. Ugh. Shit. I don't think it's gonna work out. It's not gonna work out, bro. It's not gonna work out. But we'll see here. Yeah, I'm gonna get my ass stopped as soon as it came down. Bah! Came right back up. Can't do nothing about that. Got my ass taken out. Okay, so unfortunately it did not work. It came down, but it just popped right back up. So it is what it is. And yeah, that's it for the day because I'm not gonna fucking be here all day and try to trade. That was my one trade. Didn't work out. Was trying to see if it can push further. It could not push further. So it is what it is. All right, y'all. I'm out of here. Peace out.